Introduction. Hey, welcome back to another episode. Today, we're diving deep into Pixar's Inside Out. But with a twist, we're talking about emotion, identity, and even a bit of gender expression. It's more than just a kids' movie. Inside Out show how complex emotion shape who we are, especially when we're growing up. So let's explore how it connects to real life experiences, especially during those composing early 10 years. Body. So Inside Out, we follow really a young girl going through a big life change. She moves to a new city and suddenly her emotion, joy, sadness, anger, fear, and disgust are in choice. Right. And what's interesting is how the movie show emotion as characters inside Riley's head. But if you look closely, it's also a metaphor for discovering your identity. Really doesn't fully understand what she's feeling, and that composing is something a lot of tense space, especially when it comes to gender. Conclusion. So Inside Out is just about feelings. It's about identity, growing up, and learning to embrace who you are even if you don't have all the answer yet. Exactly. Whether you relate to Riley's emotional choice or see yourself questioning where you fit, remember, your emotions are valid and your journey is your own. There's no one right way to be you. This is, in the story, the main character really experiences major life change and her emotion, joy, sadness, anger, fear, and disgust. Try to guide her through it. At first, Joy tries to keep really happy all the time, but she eventually realized that sadness also plays an important role in healing and connection. The movie showed that all emotions are valid and necessary, and that true emotional health comes from accepting and expressing them, not just avoiding sadness or pretending to be happy.